The appearance of the all-electric Mercedes E sedan is undoubtedly not the most distant future of the E-Class. One day Europe will completely switch to electric cars, so in the current hybrid era of local motorists, it remains to enjoy cars in which the spirit of classic engines still hovers.
In parallel with the E, the Germans are preparing the release of a new generation of Mercedes-Benz E-Class for the 2022 model year, and all gasoline and diesel modifications being prepared will be electrified.
Perhaps these cars will be the last before the global invasion of electric cars, so they begin to prepare long before their debut. Externally, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class of 2022 will become more streamlined, which will be especially noticeable on the sides of the body. This is a consequence of improved aerodynamics, which is critical to endow a hybrid car with as much autonomous mileage as possible.
The new E-Class will also change its optics, and not only the internal filling of the blocks will change, where the door strips will become C-shaped, but also the shapes of the headlamps.
The taillights will also change, which apparently will become somewhat thinner. Certain transformations will occur with the radiator grille, and even the pattern around the company logo may change. Another almost confirmed novelty will be sliding door handles, the same as on the new S-Class. The current version of the mid-size sedan is equipped with a front panel different from that used in large S sedans.
Moreover, the architecture with two paired displays was abandoned even by the new C-Class 2022, where a vertical tablet of the multimedia system has already appeared.
Which of the two options will be preferred in the new Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2022 is the most important intrigue, but there is definitely no doubt about the high technological level of interior equipment.
There will be the most advanced version of Maybach, and a choice between displays of different sizes, and an impressive set of options that will help to install multi-contour massage chairs in the salon, expensive combined finishes, 4-zone climate control, and many others.
It is expected that the basis of the engine range of the new E-Class sedans of the 2022 model year will be electrified gasoline and diesel 4s. Classic inline 6s are likely to become a thing of the past, since it is increasingly difficult for them to withstand emission standards, and hybrid superstructures perfectly compensate for the theoretical loss of power during the final transition to 4-cylinder units. In addition to efficient hybrids, the line of modifications will also include powerful models from the AM division. At the same time, the new cars will receive a modern fully controlled chassis with rotating rear wheels and adaptive suspension. If you liked the video, you can always support me with a subscription or a like. Thank you and see you tomorrow.